In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VPN in Opera browser. Opera includes a built-in VPN, which makes it easy to add a layer of privacy to your browsing without installing extra extensions. A VPN routes your browser traffic through Opera's secure servers and lets you choose a virtual location, which can help mask your IP address. It's great for general privacy, but remember, it's not a full replacement for strong security habits. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. Once it's open, look to the left side of the window for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open Opera's settings panel. If your layout is slightly different, you may see a full settings page instead of a panel. That's fine. You'll do the same things there. Using Opera's built-in search box and settings can help you find options faster if you don't see them immediately. Inside settings, locate the VPN section. It's typically listed in the privacy and security area. Click VPN to view its options. Here you'll see a simple switch to turn the feature on or off. Go ahead and enable VPN. When it's on, Opera adds a small VPN badge to the top of the browser right inside the address bar. That badge is your quick control center. It lets you check whether the VPN is active and gives you immediate access to location choices. Next, click the VPN badge in the address bar. A small panel opens where you can choose your location. You can select an automatic or optimal location for the fastest connection, or pick a specific region if you prefer. Keep in mind that speed can vary by region, so if your browsing feels slow, try switching to a different location or the optimal option. When the badge shows that VPN is on, just browse as you normally would. The VPN applies to your Opera traffic. If you ever want to pause it, click the badge again and toggle it off, or return to settings and switch it off there. That's it. You've successfully set up and used Opera's VPN for more private browsing.